my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you get notified first. And no, shout out to the notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang, gang. Damn, I felt so good to say that, man. That's the first time I said this in 2025 in a long time, man. Period, man. Let's get to it, man. Don't mind my fingers. If y'all see some dirt like this, you see in my pants right here, my sweats. I was just doing the oil change in the car. You know what I'm saying? I get busy. Remember I told you I got a car channel and other stuff. But I was just changing the oil on my car. But let's get to this video. This is what y'all here for. You see this right here? Let me lower it. Cause I don't want to get no copyright for no nothing. You see it's like TikTok, right? Let me see. You see the format. You see everything. Let me give you that view right there. You see? You know what I'm saying? Give free products right there. You see everything. So I'm on a silver level right now. Like I said, I'm on a silver level. I'm gonna get to the gold. You know, there's different tiers on here. You know what I'm saying? But you see, look up there. Look, every time I swipe, save 60%. You see, I'm at. Let me see. Get clear. I can show you how much I'm on here. Let me show y'all. Hold on 1 second, cause all right, y'all can see it right there. I'm at 49.13. You see, it's like TikTok. It's no different. You're gonna see. Oh, excuse me. Let me go back. You're gonna see. It's gonna keep going up. I'm gonna just keep it right here. You see, 49, 44. You see how it's going up? So I'm about to be at $50. I'm gonna wait till it's at 50, 49. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 50. You know what I'm saying? So now these are people that's asking me to share. You know what I mean? But you keep going. Now, that's what I'm getting. Oh, damn, look, I'm going up. You see, it's telling me I got 50 cash. So, like I said, this is how it works. You see right here, the camera, you see I can't post nothing, right? You know what I'm saying? Look what it says right here. You know what I'm saying? Buy a product, share the video review, and earn real cash, right? In order for me to do that, right, there's go to earn them dashboards. Watch, let me see where it goes. Right here. You know what I'm saying? You see, there's nothing on there. So you thought, that's what? Like 10, no, there's nothing on there. I'm about to say 10 cents, I'm bugging. I need my glasses. Nah, let me stop playing. But you see there's nothing on there, so you're like, how's nothing on there when you got over $50 right here? Now, that money that's over there, that's for the they got a store in here, you know what I'm saying, which I'm going to show you. Let me see me go into the feed, the search. This is the store right here, right? They got some stuff you see for free. You can scroll, go through it. You know what I'm saying? Let me scroll, you go through it. So that money that you saw, that $50, is gonna go towards a discount or something for free in here. So when you do that and you purchase something from here, you gotta do a review video on it, right? So that's when you post it up. So that's when you get the access to the camera right there. You're gonna post up your video up. They just say this charging brick. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna plug it in and show people how. You're gonna do it unboxing, show people how to plug it in. However you want to do it. See, this one is about $24. You add it to your cart. You know, plug it to your phone, show them the time, show them how long it took. You know, just do a little quick review of 15 seconds, whatever it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? And once you do that, they're gonna allow you, because they see you bought something, they're gonna allow you to post it. So once you post it, now if somebody sees that and they like the way the review is and like, oh, I could use that fast charging brick because my phone charges slow, guess what? They're gonna buy that from your review on your page, and you get paid for it. Now you're allowed to upload videos now because you did this, you went through this. You gotta go through this first. Obviously, like I said, you see me, I press the camera. You see, I still can't upload my own videos. That's where these videos come from, because these are there. You see, this is not a product video. Well, maybe it is. You know what I'm saying? There's a silver, gold, and platinum, which this guy's explaining. But I'm gonna go to another video. This video is nothing to do with a product. He's just digging. This is one of his, like, a lot of people are reposting TikTok. Let me go back to the other video. I think this is a TikTok. I'm not sure. But you're gonna see. Let me keep going. I'm getting paid while I'm doing this, putting up my little V-Bucks, whatever you want to call that. But there'd be like, no, this don't got nothing to do with a product. Look, this guy put a firecracker inside of a water or whatever this is, and he do whatever he's doing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people put up TikTok video. I'm trying to see if I can find one, because a lot of these things don't got nothing to do with this. You know, they doing the TikTok videos, but you're getting paid. So now once you're able to do put your own videos up here, you're getting paid for your views now. It ain't like TikTok. Y'all do this on TikTok, and y'all get absolutely nothing. Now you're getting paid over here from views. You know what I'm saying? You're doing the same thing you were doing on TikTok, but you're actually getting paid. You know what I mean? So let me. I'm trying to find somebody with their old TikTok video, because a lot of these videos is from TikTok. They reusing videos after they bought the product. You have to go through that process first, because you can see I haven't done it yet. I'm looking for something to get, but I'm boosting up my bread. You see my little coupon bread. I'm boosting it up by swipe. Every time you swipe, it goes up. See how it's boosting? That's why I keep swiping up. You see it from the side, from the left side. You see I'm going to different. I'm just keep swiping. As a matter of fact, look, I found something from TikTok. Look. That's what the people do. You can take a lot of all your TikTok videos and put them on here, and if people is viewing them, you won't get paid. You know what I'm saying? This is the search right here, which is the store. Obviously, the camera. This is your cart. Wherever I put something in there just to show you. You know what I'm saying? Look, and I forgot what it was. You know what I mean? But whatever it was, it cost $29. They discounted for my 60% rewards credit. It went was $17.99. So all I have to come out my pocket right now. It's the $16.05, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So this is the dashboard from the creator board. Excuse me, I'm trying to get it close as possible. The creator board is right here. The rewards, which is the rewards I'm earning right now. And per invite, it was at $100. I don't know why it went down. Per invite, you get 85. You get what I'm saying? So it's a win-win. I think this is it right here. I just put whatever in here. This is like a shaver or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So this is the $29. And they took the I don't know if it's tax or whatever. It must be more than that, because how is it 29 and I'm only getting that off when I'm getting an $18 basically discount. But let me see if I can zoom in. I can't zoom in here, but that's the creator cash, the rewards I'm getting right now, where I'm getting 60% off products, so I can buy and do the review. So then I can start earning the creator cash. You know what I'm saying? And this is the invites, the cash from the invites. You know what I mean? And this, you're gonna see the link in the description below. You know what I'm saying? Go to the link in the description below. I should have told you in the beginning. Go there and, sign up so you can start making this money. You know what I mean? That's the three things. Right? That's the options right there. Like I said, this is the list right here, which is none of y'all. You know, and you can send a gift. This is me. I can send a gift to whoever these people are. Y'all just gotta basically go through it. But the main thing is right here. Like I said. You can read through it. You can read through all of this. Pause it if you want to. But this is where you know what I'm saying. You sign up in the link in the description below. And you can see for yourself. You see buy product, enjoy your new stuff, share a video review. Tell us what you really think. Honest review if you want to, and earn real cash. Make money from views and sales. So like I said, if I could put my regular video up, I'll be putting those until I buy something. But the way they did it is you can't do that until you actually get a product and do the review, so you could get paid off your review. If somebody, let's just say that product is $30 and they buy it, I don't know, but they give you $5. I don't know what they give you. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna give you a percentage of every sale, and whatever your shit start going crazy. Now on top of that, this is your video. People are watching your video, and you getting views. You know what I'm saying? You can go to the person's page. Nothing different like TikTok. It's all the same thing, but you making money. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to hold you up. You know what I'm saying? Do this video so long. Just get to it. The link will be in the description below. Hopefully y'all watching my other videos too. Like I said, obviously this is what my channel is about. My channel is about making money, period. I know I did a lot of apps over the years, but I'm gonna bring y'all everything. Y'all need to watch my other YouTube videos on why y'all should get on YouTube. Y'all need to, that's powerful, because that's where a lot of the money, probably the number one way where all the money is coming from. You know what I'm saying? If you want to start working, it's not gonna be overnight, but like I said, I'm a testimony to it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been here for years. Some of y'all could be brand new. Go through my videos and y'all seen what I've been doing. I just posted 2 videos. Go check those out too. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't, like I said, I get money over here, and I was just like you in the projects, and you know what I'm saying, New York. You know what I'm saying? Broke, poor, wearing the same sneakers. You name it, I went through it. Sleeping on the damn floor on people's houses. I did it all. But you know, like I said, this is just, you can make money doing this. You know what I'm saying? On any of the apps I'm putting, you can make money, but you want to make life-changing income. But sometimes a little $20. I remember on video years ago, before I even get in, you know what I'm saying, before I in this video, there was somebody that was, you know, watching my video, and he told me he didn't have no food to eat. I remember him. I don't know if he's still on my channel, or because I posted, he probably don't forgot about me. I don't know. He made, I think, $5 or $10, and he said he was able to go to the store. He cashed out in his PayPal, was able to go to the store, get him a sandwich. He said he was just looking up how to make money. He saw, he signed up under the link on one of my videos, on one of the, whatever I was promoting at that time, and he was able to get something to eat. That touched me, you know what I'm saying? Because like, damn, he didn't even have nothing to eat. He eating crackers or whatever he was eating. But like I said, anything, you know what I'm saying, you could get, you know what I'm saying, especially in these rough times, you know what I'm saying, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But we want to go up, you know what I'm saying? We want to make life-changing income. That's why you go to my other videos that I just posted, just me sitting in this car right here, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm going to still do the apps, but we need to get to this bag, you know what I'm saying? I want to do it together with y'all. Like I said, y'all want to get to the bag, like I say every video, hashtag SGM in the comments. Don't forget to go to the link in the description. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. Yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.